been very much a struggle for this entire organization this year. Bears went to Seattle last week. Actually scored that comeback.
Bears. Duh, Bears. What's up, dudes? What's wrong? Brush it off. Well, we finally got a little snow. Not at the camera. So we finally got some snow we've been hoping for. Right, bud?
Yeah.
Not a ton,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
maybe 2 inches. Come here. Come here. Put your hand in here. Hand. Make sure your thumb goes up here. Are you in?
Mm-mm.
You're not in?
Mm-mm.
I brought the batteries out.
For the very charge,
Yeah.
did you actually drive it?
Do you think they'll go through the snow?
Yeah.
There's our batteries. Got the RC trucks ready to go.
This line? Where's my, I can do it. Can you do it? I know.
The antenna is broken and I don't know how to fix that.
Wasn't I doing that?
Nice work, dude.
What? Bill.
Doing donuts. Doing donuts. Oh! What do you think about them donuts? You like them?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Wow. Yeah, let me start from up here.
Nice. Get the shovel out of here. We don't need no stinking shovels. Okay, help him, Jack. Wyatt, you got... No, you're okay. Okay, you gotta take your glove. Okay, let him drive it. Let him try it again. Stop, Jack. Squeeze it gentle. Good job, man. Over the snowboard. You can do it.
Now try to in the snow.
Oh, I got stuck.
What, try to try now?
Okay, let off the trigger. There you go, good job. That's perfect conditions, buddy. It's snowing. We're going RCing.
Is there a tree that fell down?
Tree that fell down? I don't see any tree down. You see a tree down? Or just the branches are weighed down from the snow, maybe. So anyway, we're headed down the street looking for a open parking lot to run the RC trucks around. So that's where we're headed right now. Well, the church parking lot is a bummer. They plowed all the snow and looks like they salted.
Oh, can you drive there?
Yeah, I want to go somewhere where there's snow on the ground though. Don't you think?
Yes, but then mine won't work.
No, it'll work. Just a little bit of snow. Just a little bit of snow on the ground on a parking lot would be perfect. That would give us exactly what we need. Slide the trucks around. All that good stuff. Let's see what we can find down here. Clear? Let's rock and roll. Rock and roll, man. Okay, we think we found a parking spot up here. Or a parking lot, I mean, not a parking spot. That has not been plowed. Awesome. Get it out. So we bought Jack this Traxxas Rustler for Christmas. So we're finally getting a good snow day out here where we can come out and have some fun. So we just found a parking lot that had some snow, wasn't plowed, and now we're just doing donuts. So hope you like it. We enjoy doing the RC videos. No, bring it here. Yeah, let's try a new battery. Stop, stop. Keep going. What? Keep going. Drive right by here. Drive it right by here. You got the camera. That was pretty cool. We got to buy a couple more batteries for yours. The old batteries that I had, they must be too old. They won't even. I charged them up, and the truck doesn't like them. So. I'm not ready to go back to work. I know that. Between Christmas and New Year's, had a lot of days off and just having a hard time getting back into the work mode. But tomorrow's back to work. Do you go back to school tomorrow? I don't know when Jack goes back to school, but holidays are over, so it's pretty much back to normal. I like it that it's snowing a little bit. Yeah, so these are the extra batteries that we tried. This one here. I don't know what the date is on them, but they don't work. Oh! Just sprayed us with snow.
You turn it off?
Must be out of batteries.
You have another battery?
Nope. Fun time's over.
I guess this is the end of the video.
Is this the end of the video?
Maria.
Whatever he said. Well, just in case this is the end of our video, did you have fun, buddy? There he goes. I guess we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one. What are you doing down here?
Trying to break the ice.
Are you fishing?
No, trying to break the ice.
Trying to break the ice. Just try to break the ice. Oh! We're out in the wilderness, miles from town. All we found is this frozen pond so far. We're gonna try to catch some fish, maybe make a small fire. And then we'll have to start building shelter for the night. Is that gonna be our shelter for tonight?
There it is.
We gotta do something to get out of this cold for the night. Dropping temperatures, hypothermia can set in extremely fast. Let's check on Jack's progress. Jack, show me how it looks.
What?
Get in there. We'll build a fire to stay warm right in here. We got the pond on this side. That'll protect us from the wild animals. We'll just have to build a stick fort to keep in the hot air. If we don't do that, we might not make it through the night. Oh, we've been trekking through the snow for days. Ah, we come across tire tracks. This must be the road. This is our ticket. This is our one-way ticket out of here. We'll follow these tracks here. That'll surely lead us to safety, to a village, even a small town. Or wait, let's just hop in the truck and go home. Careful. There you go, sit down. How was it?
Good.
Here's all the batteries that didn't work. Well, just in case this is the last video we ever make, it's been fun, YouTube. We had fun. Maybe we'll see you in the future. Right? I'm just kidding. This isn't the last video we're ever gonna make. I was just teasing. Subscribe now!
Chicken doodle.
Chicken doodle, or whatever he said.
Said chicken duties.
Chicken duties! See if that's any better. Okay, we're in business. Did you have fun?
Yep.
What'd you learn? Anything?
Be careful with chickens.
Be careful with chickens. That's what Jack learned. No, we learned old RC batteries are junk and they do not work. So we need to buy more batteries so we can run longer. I don't know what he's talking about, but we need more batteries so we have longer run time. That's what we learned today. All right, Jack, hit him with a pound it.
Ciao.
Later, guys.